required. Please subscribe to us.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi.
Hi, what can I do for you today?
Yeah, I'm looking for a change. My relationship just ended and I really need a new look.
I totally get you. Let me show you what we've got in stock.
Great.
So this is what we have in stock right now. I know it's not much, but we're expecting a big shipment soon.
Great. Just tired to be here.
But today is my day.
Well, you think it's your day.
Oh, I know.
Now, sweetie, it's my chance.
Please, I feel it in my hair.
Yeah, right.
Well, our first model right here is our Italian blonde bombshell model. Why don't you take a closer look?
Ciao, Bella. How are you?
Hi.
Hello.
I love this long hair.
Oh, yeah. And look at these lips. I'm a good kisser.
I'm funny.
Yeah, I'm
like
funny
it.
too.
Oh, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm a bombshell. Come on.
I like your hair.
That's great.
I like your lips.
Mhm.
But I don't know if that nose is gonna look good.
Can you just scratch it because it's itching now?
Oh,
Can you?
and now is it scratch? It's
Yeah.
itching? Okay.
Thank you. A little bit in the bottom.
No. I don't think I want that one.
Okay, and over here we have our Mediterranean goddess. Why don't you get a closer look at her?
Oh.
Hello, darling.
Wow. Hi.
Hi.
Look at this.
Oh, yes.
I just love the. I need long hair. That's what I need. I know it.
You
But
do.
yeah, and she's. But what? Look, I don't know.
Tan, you need one.
I know, but
Oh, honey, you'll
I
catch
don't know
up.
if we're gonna match because it's right.
Beach.
What?
Beach.
Wow.
Let's go to the beach.
Oh. Okay. I don't think I can that tanned like you. I think I'm gonna try the Italian blonde.
See, she chose me. Let's see. I don't know. This nose bothers me. No. Why? You will never be happy.
Welcome to the club, cowgirl.
I knew it.
She's never gonna be happy with anything.
Of course not.
Why are you saying this?
What? She didn't choose you either.
That's right.
So hey, how's it go? Where did she go?
She left without me. I don't know.
Well, she chose me. She didn't like my nose. I don't know why. I think it's beautiful.
She didn't even want a tan. Who doesn't want a tan?
Well,
Crazy.
I feel sad now.
Oh, well. Don't be more.
good.
Subscribe.
Okay, and I'll give you this. Oh, wow. This is such an incredible model. I mean, these are really expensive. I've always wanted to try one.